back to Bhardwaj Brothers channel. From this video, we are going to start a series of videos in which I'll be showing and creating some electricity projects. So recently I got a kit in which is called the Einstein box, and it has many electricity included. Project is the helicopter project. So previously in the video I showed you that this was made, the 3D model. I have a fan over here and the circuit is ready. Now here is the switch, and when I turn the switch on, the motor will turn on. Do you hear the sound? Motor is working. And for the demonstration, let me put this fan and tell you. So I'm turning on the switch. Wow. Let me explain the circuit to you. One wire of the motor is connected to the battery, and one wire of the motor is connected to the switch. And this black wire connects the switch to the battery, and hence when I turn it on, the helicopter fan starts running. Demonstration, let me put the 3D helicopter model to the circuit. I have put the pin over here, and let me put the fan. Okay, now let's see. Wow. Isn't it looking like a real helicopter? So I hope you like this project. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon, like and share. Bye.